Well, welcome to episode 34, Chaffles for Life, Pimento Loaf Chaffle. So I got a nutty idea of doing the different chaffle recipe for a change. So what I did with this particular chaffle recipe, I took 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 egg. I didn't put any seasons in here, just kind of kept it simple. And then I took 1 slice of pimento loaf and I sliced it all up because I bought some deli meat the other day and I wanted to use it up. And this will work well with any deli meat, by the way. Ham would really be good with this, salami, even pepperoni. Anyway, so what I did was once I got the pimento loaf here, you can see me putting it into the measuring cup, and then I just stirred it up with the spoon, and I got the mini dash going, and it came out really good. I was really surprised. I really enjoyed these, and again, these low-carb snack for the afternoon, for a hit, or if you're on the go, mom or guy, make 4 or 5 of these, 6 of them or whatever, and then I put a little salt and pepper in there just to taste. And you could put a garlic powder on and all that thing, but I just wanted it simple today. And then, of course, if you want to put a tomato slice on there or something like that, you could, and maybe a little bit of low-carb mayonnaise. But these came out great the way they were, and I've just been experimenting, just enjoying making these chaffle recipes. I got a lot more plans, and I'm contemplating opening up a new YouTube channel for just chaffles only. And so anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Go right into it and have a great day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill.